Hi everyone, welcome back to Hidden Gems of the World. Today we are in Bangkok and I'll show you exactly how to get from MBK Centre to Emporium Mall using the BTC SkyTrain. So if you're visiting Thailand and want a quick, affordable and stress-free way to travel between these two popular shopping malls, this guide is for you. I'll cover the exact BTC stations, where to change trains, ticket price, and total travel time step by step. Let's get started. MBK Center is directly connected to the National Stadium BTC station, which is on the Slium line. So just follow the skywalk signs inside the mall and you reach the station entrance as you see above within a few minutes. When you get to the station entrance, you follow through the staircase to where you come across the ticket machines. All right, so there are two options. To get to Emporium Mall from MBK Center, you need 40 Thailand baht. Now, if you have the 40 in coins, you can buy your ticket from the machine. But if you don't have the 40 in coins, then you have to go to the counter. You give them any amount you have, they'll give you a ticket and they'll give you your change. But either ways, you must identify that where you're going to, the BTC station you're stopping at to get to Emporium is Prapong station as your destination, which most times will need just a one-way ticket, depending on your interest. Alright, so from the National Stadium BTC, take this train one stop to Siam Station. Siam is the main interchange station where you switch from the Silom line to the Sukhumvit line. This ride takes about 2 minutes. At Siam Station, follow the signs for the Sukhumvit line. Make sure you board the train heading towards Mokit stroke Quixote. Trains are clearly labeled in English and Thai, so it's very tourist friendly. Alright, so stay on the Sukhumvit line for about 4 stops. You move from Chitlom to Pyeongchit to Nana, Asoy, then get off at Prongpon station. The total BTS travel time is about 15 to 20 minutes. Prongpong station is directly connected to the Emporium Mall, so you don't even need to walk outside. Just follow the signs and you enter the mall directly. Like I said earlier, ticket price is about 40 Thailand baht, depending on your distance, okay? Helpful tips: avoid rush hour, that's between 7 to 9 a.m. and 5 to 7 p.m. Also, keep your ticket until exit. Stand on the left side of the escalators. Consider a rabbit card if staying longer in Bangkok. that is it. The easiest way to travel from MBK Center to Emporium Mall is by BTS SkyTrain, because one of the most distinctive things with Bangkok is the traffic condition. You can end up, if you use a taxi, of course there are taxis, there are motorbikes, there are buses, but the fastest way to get from one place to the other, I have discovered in Bangkok, because of the traffic condition, is the BTS SkyTrain. So when next you're visiting Bangkok, or maybe you are in Bangkok already, please go up. Every mall is linked by BTS train, SkyTrain, of course, in Bangkok. Conclusively, Bangkok train system is clean, affordable, and one of the best ways to explore the city. If this video has helped you, please kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe to Hidden Gems of the World for more Bangkok travel guides and hidden travel tips around the world. See you in our next adventure. I love you all. Bye for now.